as fast as they can. Excuse me, please. You're not allowed to go in the ground. You've got place. You're welcome to the pavilion. Come to the pavilion. We've got a lot of place for you. Don't be shy. There's no tickets. Come along. All right. Back to the game. Simran takes a long shot. Excellent pass. It is Siddhant. Takes on to the next shot. Excellent strike there, but not very well directed, and the ball rolls out of play over the back line. Alijo. Siddhant on the back. It is Vishnu Bajaj. Very well defended there on the back. Well saved by Naveen. Venkatesh. Naveen Singh defending on the near side back. Simran. He is looking over his shoulder. He decides to turn. Simran Shegil. Siddhant picks the ball. Siddhant Sharma. He is dribbling his way, going in for that kill. Siddhant for Jindal Bedla. Siddhant getting that equalizer. 1-1 in the first chapter. Rolls in the ball. Alijo. It is Simran. Venkatesh. Dhananjay. He's got Vishu marking him. Dhananjay. Alijo backing him up. It is Vishu Bajaj. On a back. Simran makes a quick turn. And we have the umpire's whistle. Simran prepares to strike. Simran Shegil, penalty 5 piece, shot laying at Jindal Bedla team ke liye. Simran, first tap is being watched there by Naveen. Simran, far experienced polo player, goes in for a long shot, excellent pass on to his forward. It is Alijo, Vishu Bajaj, Dhananjay turning. Alijo promotes the ball on to Dhananjay. Alijo. Siddhant. Naveen. Simran and Alijo battling it out, fighting for the ball. First to the sound with 30 seconds to go. And Alijo releasing the ball. Long lofted shot. Excellent pass. Is Naveen getting on the line. Naveen Singh wasting no time. Takes a long strike towards the ball. But he just about missed the mark and ball rolls out of play. With that we come to the end of the Alright, second chapter in play. It is Simran taking that hit in from the stadium, and first tap goes in for a long strike. Excellent pass on to Siddhant. It's a man-to-man marking. Is Alijo. Siddhant, both experienced polo players. Alijo, Kanandru for True Jones. Tries to keep the ball in control. Siddhant hassling him there, both going in for a ride-off. Siddhant trying to get it. It's Alijo. Gets the better. Venkatesh. Simran, that was Simran, and we have the umpire's whistle. Alijo first time takes a cracking strike, and it's defended there by Jindal Bedla. Very well defended. Good save. Trying to make a clearance. Alijo back on the ball. Vishu Bajaj. It is Alijo. Simran. Siddhant. Alijo. He's like a one-man army. He's back on the ball. Going in for a kill. Is Alijo for the Trojans. Simran defends well for Jindal Bedla. Good job done there. He's turning that game around. Simran Shegil missing the ball on the bounce. young Vishnu Bajaj. Siddhant for Jindal Gedla. Siddhant is unmarked. He tries for a strike, couldn't connect very well. It is Simran takes on to the next shot and missing the mark. The ball goes out of play. Alijo taking that hit in from the Nargade. First tap goes in for a good long strike. Excellent pass out to Naveen. Naveen Singh, he's marked there by Vishnu Bajaj. Siddhant once again keeps it in play on a near side back. It is Siddhant. Rohan. Alijo. Simran is there marking him. Claiming his line. It is Simran Shegil, Naveen, and we have the umpire's whistle. So spotted for Jindal Gedla. Simran Jindal Gedla ke liye. Long lofted shot. Excellent pass and goes forward. It is Siddhant trying to collect Venkatesh Vishu. Naveen turning that game around for Jones. This is Alijo trying to collect the ball. Siddhant from near side back. Naveen Singh taking a good long strike. It is Siddhant on a back. Simran and umpire's whistle. 85B. Alijo is backed up by Naveen. Siddhant watching over him is Alijo, playing an excellent game. He's a 6 handicapper. Alijo for the Trojans. Siddhant marking him along the board, battling for the ball. Naveen, Dhananjay, Simran Shegil turning that. He misses the ball on the bounce. It's Siddhant trying to pick it on the near side. This is Alijo. Alijo again for the Trojans. Alijo, Siddhant, Naveen. Simran takes a brilliant near side back. And we have Vishu. Young Vishu, it is Siddhant. He promotes the ball further on to Vishnu Bajaj. Siddhant making a good run. He is there. Siddhant Sharma. Siddhant getting that second goal for Jindal Gedla. 2-1 in the second chapter. We're playing the lead up Maharaj. Umpire Robert Smith prepares to roll in the ball. Ball in play. Siddhant on a back. Simran gets on the ball. Simran Shegil. Simran is away. Vishu watching over Dhananjay. Nice and easy. It is Simran Shegil for Jindal Gedla. Simran Shegil. Jindal Gedla का तीसरा गोल. Umpire rolls in the ball. Siddhant, Alijo impacted by Venkatesh Vishu promotes the ball, excellent pass on to Siddhant. He's dribbling his way to the goal, Siddhant Sharma. Goes in for a brilliant back and he misses the mark, the ball goes out of play. Taking that is in front of Nargaden, he promotes the ball on to Naveen Singh. Siddhant is there watching over him very carefully. It is Vishnu Bajaj on a back, it is Simran. Makes a quick turn, Simran Shegil for Jindal Birla. Simran Shegil. And we have the fourth goal, Simran Shegil. Earlier in the afternoon, we had one game played at the prep. Mr. Jason Dixon, A-grade umpire coming from the United Kingdom. So is Mr. Robert Smith. Siddhant making a good run. He is there. He needs to work hard. Siddhant Sharma, Naveen, Alijo, Simran, Siddhant. In angle, is in for that kill. Siddhant, Naveen watching over him, and we have a goal. Jindal Birla. Siddhant getting that one goal. Umpire Jason Dixon rolls in the ball. Vishu, Alijo, near side back it is. Venkatesh. Vishu Bajaj on the near side. Well picked up there by Siddhant. Dhananjay on a back. Simran is claiming his line and we have the umpire's whistle for Jindal Birla. Simran Shegil prepares to strike, spotted ki tayari. Simran Shegil. Simran first time takes a long lofted shot. And you see the white flag. Probably nahi Alijo takes that in from the Nargaden, still with the ball, decides to release it on to its forward. It is Rohan, Simran Shegil. Siddhant backing him up. Naveen, Siddhant on the near side. Simran. Alijo. Simran keeping a close watch over him. Naveen takes a long strike. It is Siddhant meets the ball. Siddhant for Jindal Birla. Naveen, he takes a brilliant cut shot. Ball needs a little direction. Is Naveen defending for Pro Jones, Naveen Singh. And umpire's whistle. Siddhant prepares to strike.
बोल देता हूँ पेमेंट तो डाल देंगे.
Siddhant Sharma making no mistakes, getting that sixth goal.
फिर क्या
Shegil. We're in the third chapter, 6-1. Jindal Birla in a comfortable lead. Umpire Jason Dixon rolls in the ball. Siddhant takes it back. Simran, Alijo on the near side. He takes the ball for Drew Jones. It's Alijo. Simran, Siddhant. Alijo making a good run. Dhananjay backing him up. It is Simran. Simran defending for Jindal Birla. Simran Shegil. Makes a quick turn. Decides to release the ball. Long strike. Young Vishu Bajaj. Taking the ball is Rohan watching over him very carefully. Vishu making a good run. Vishu takes a good strike and a goal. We have Jindal Birla. Vishu Bajaj. Jindal Birla का 7वां गोल. By Jason Dixon. Rolls in the ball. Simran taking it on the near side is Rajkumar Dhananjay watching over him. Simran Shegil is backed up by Siddhant. Naveen takes a back, defends. Venkatesh on a brilliant back. Here is Alijo. Siddhant. Alijo defending for Trojans. Looks up, goes in for a good long strike. Nice pass to Dhananjay. Naveen, it is Vishu Bajaj. Naveen promotes the ball onto Dhananjay. It is Vishu Bajaj. Rides him off, goes in for a back. Siddhant. Venkatesh, Jindal, Siddhant, excellent pass, it is Simran, nice and easy, he marked there, unmarked Simran Shegil, Simran for Jindal Bedla. Simran getting that 8 gill. Jindal Bedla का 8वां गोल. अच्छी आपसी समझदारी में खेलते हुए. Ball in play. Dhananjay, Siddhant, Alijo, for Trojans, making a good run. We've got Vishu Bajaj marking him, Naveen supporting it on the near side, but the ball rolls out of play over the back. Simran taking that hit in from the Nargul, and Simran takes the tap and goes in for a long strike. Excellent pass. It is Venkatesh Jindal. Venkatesh, he picks the ball very well. Venkatesh Jindal, he's got Rohan marking him. Venkatesh Jindal, he checks sometime. It is Venkatesh and Vishu getting on the line, and a goal. Goal not given. This is a spotted for the Trojans. This is Alijo. Takes a long strike onto Naveen. It is Rohan. First over sound with 30 seconds to go. Siddhant on a back. Simran. He's being watched very carefully by Naveen. Simran Shegil. Clock ticking. Simran takes a good long strike onto Vishu Bajaj. And the ball goes out of play over the back line. Bottom fine chucker in play. Alijo takes a long strike onto Rohan. Rohan is got marked there by Simran playing.
आवाज आप नहीं आ रही तेरी मैं करता हूँ कॉल.
Dhananjay, Simran. The battle for the ball. Dhananjay, Simran. Alijo turns. He's not getting that support that he requires. It is Alijo attack. He's got Simran Shell watching over him, but he's still with the back ball for the Trojans is Naveen. Alijo decides to release on a long strike. It is Rohan waiting to receive the ball. Venkatesh and we have the umpire's whistle. Trojans in red getting the advantage. The shot की तैयारी में Naveen Singh. Naveen making no mistakes, getting that second goal for Trojans. Ball in play. Ball in a melee. Simran, Alijo is working hard, trying to get on the ball. Rohan taps it. Alijo picks the ball very well. For the Trojans is Siddhant and Simran both watching over him very carefully. Alijo along the board. Takes on to the next shot. He centers that ball rolling towards past the goal. General Bedla. Siddhant defending. It's a long strike. Alejo once again with the ball. Naveen backing him up. Naveen Singh. Siddhant. He breaks away. Siddhant turns that game around. It is Rohan riding hell for leather, trying to catch up with Siddhant. Siddhant looking for a goal, and yes, he does, getting that 9th goal for General Bedla. General Bedla का 9वां goal. By Jason rolls in the ball. It is Vishu Bajaj breaks away, takes a good long strike. It is Aliho, Rohan, Aliho rides him off. He picks the ball along the board. It is Aliho, 6 handicapper, and on a backhand he keeps the ball in play. Simran, Rohan, Aliho. Working hard. Simran, young Vishu Bajaj. Alejo defending. Simran on the ball. Simran Shekil. Simran making a run towards the goal. Simran. And we have the 10th goal. Shekil, umpire rolls in the ball. Naveen Singh. Siddhant watching over him very carefully. Simran, the line goes in for a back, couldn't connect very well. Ball deflected away. Venkatesh. Vishu takes it back. It's Aliho. Simran gets the better. Simran on the near side. Simran Shekil. He's one of the most experienced ball players in the country today. Is Simran Dhananjay defending. Aliho meets the ball, turns it around, takes a long strike, and we had also the umpire's whistle. It's Simran Shekil takes a long shot, but missing the mark. The ball. Aliho aiming at it in first stab, goes in for a long strike, excellent pass on to Rohan, Sundesha, Rohan missing the ball in the bounce. Vishu tries to back, and we have the umpire's whistle. Singh shot gets penalty shot की तैयारी में ट्रोजन्स के लिए. Naveen takes a cracking shot and a goal number 3. Trojans का तीसरा goal. Chakar. Umpire Jason goes with the ball. Simran, Naveen. Simran gets the better. He promotes the ball on a good pass on to Siddhant. Stands a good chance to score. He's taking it nice and easy. It is Siddhant. Siddhant keeps the ball in play. Siddhant Sharma combines well with Simran. He tries for a under the belly shot. Couldn't connect very well. It is Rohan. He's defending for the Trojans. Rohan, good job there. Vishu, Venkatesh. Siddhant back on the ball. Siddhant, Dhananjay defending on the backhand. Simran Shekil getting that 11th goal. Simran Shekil. And we have the final hooter. आज की विजेता जनरल बेदला 11, ट्रोजन्स 15. Thank you very much.